Come on, bro. Come on. And when we start to pray, another things there. Okay, thank you very much. How are you? Yeah, how was day? I miss you, our dames, my brothers. I miss you, but Sarawut. Okay. Yeah.
See and lover. So, I'm here in order to start some action.
Yes, another action there, kabisa, my brothers. My name is Peter. What is your name?
I'm Korudi Jemuve.
Yes. Okay, how was day, my brother?
Day was okay.
Okay.
Yes.
What do you think today?
I think it was okay because I have.
What's something you think?
What is something I think?
Yes.
Something I think that it is a best in order to show video TV here.
Yes, video TV.
Yes.
Can you tell us some audience the name of our TV? Names of our TV. Can you tell us the name?
Our TV name is Korudi Ibisumizi.
Korudi Ibisumizi. How many Ibisumizi? How many?
Ibisumizi is a Korudi me.
Yes.
Yes. And you too. You are Korudi.
Me, I am Gisumizi.
And me also.
Okay, tell us what did you tell them today? What tell them today?
Today,
yes,
it is better to understand.
Yes.
Some students for teaching here at Gangoma Primary. No, so now we are here in order to play a different games because and my friend for here.
Yes. You are my partner. Okay. Yeah. Now we are going into negotiation. How can this
how can you to make a different action?
Different action. Can you tell us examples of the same action?
Action?
Yes.
For to prepare our exam.
Yes.
And to know people who have ability to skills to know a different lesson.
Okay, can you tell us the summer lesson you teach the summer learners in this school?
I'm here in order to teaching mathematics.
Yes.
And science, elementary technology, yes. And plus ICT.
Plus ICT. Okay, yeah. My brothers, can you tell us which the level you teach for this lesson?
I'm here in order to teach primary 6.
Yes.
And P5. And also another to advise some students. So after job, what can I do? After job, when I will stay at home, I will help my parents.
Yes, you have a parent.
Yes, I have a parent.
You have a parent.
Yes.
Don't have a wife.
Yes, I don't have a wife, but I have.
You are single.
Yes, I'm single.
Why are you single?
Because I have a friend.
Reason why? But you remember that before this dialogue or for this prayer, you remember you telling me you have a friend in Nyagatare district. You reading me?
But not I lie you. But I have a future friend like Nyagatare district.
A future friend.
Yes,
on your dream. On your dream, so, on your heart.
But now
where? In your dream, in your heart.
In your heart, in the heart.
In your heart.
Yes,
okay, means that you have it, bro. You have it.
I have it, friend. Okay, let me understand the matter.
Okay, can you tell us them as the audience, the name of your friends you have in your heart in Nyagatare district, bro?
My name is Ekorudi.
My name is Ekorudi.
Her name is Ekorudi. Arine.
Her name.
At the same.
Yes, at the same. Okay, now tell us a name of your girlfriend.
My girlfriend.
Your girlfriend's name.
My girlfriend name is called Aline Umugisha.
Yes, it's called Aline Umugisha. Okay, Aline Umugisha. Can you tell us how many years she have?
Miss Aline Umugisha.
Miss Aline
has 25 years old. She has a top. She is a beautiful.
Yes.
And then she is a hair.
Higher hair.
Yes, of course.
Okay. On your face, on face, she is white, is black.
Is a white.
Listen, why you like a white?
Because
Listen, why you like a white girl? We want like a black girl. Can you tell us?
According to me, I like a beautiful guy is white.
Is white.
Because I say that it's called amarangamutima.
What does it mean, amarangamutima in English? In English, can you tell us amarangamutima in English? Means that emotion.
Of course.
Emotion.
Let's try to correct him.
Yes, emotion.
Emotion.
That emotion.
Yes, of course.
Next time you say emotion. Emotion of you is the emotion of yourself.
Yes, of course.
You say is my emotion self. My self emotion. Is your self emotion. Okay. Yes. What do you plan in the three years future? 3 years future.
3 years future.
Yes.
I will make
and
money.
Tell us what is your mind on your future.
My future.
Yes.
I will make money.
You will make a money.
Yes, of course.
If you die, what can I do? If you die, what can I do?
No, actually, I will do.
When we die, what can I do? When we die, what can I do? When you say that, you say on your future, you plan to be a married.
Yes.
I wanted to ask you, if when you die, what can I do?
I will go on the heaven.
On the heaven?
Yes. Everywhere to sing our God, to sing
Means
our
that
God, to sing our God.
everyone will die means that we go on the heaven.
Yes. To sing our God.
Who can tell you?
Who can tell you? Every to sing.
Every to sing. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, our conversation has stopped on this moment, but we will continue the next time. My brother is. What is your name?
My name is Jemuve.
Okay.
But I like umuhanzi is called Oruto.
Oruto.
Yes, of course.
Your name is Oruto.
Yes, Jemuve Oruto. Because I like it.
Jemuve Oruto. He liked them. He liked them. Okay, we are together, our brothers. God bless you.
And you too.
Yes.